Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a timetable for O/L examinations. First, begin by thoroughly assessing your current academic standing. Understand your strengths and weaknesses across all subjects to identify areas needing more attention. Next, list every subject you need to cover for your upcoming exams. Finally, honestly evaluate how many hours you can realistically commit to studying each week, ensuring it's a sustainable amount for you. Now, let's structure your timetable effectively. Assign dedicated time slots for each subject, giving more time to those you find challenging or less proficient in. Remember to integrate short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour. These are crucial for maintaining concentration and preventing mental fatigue. Also, ensure you schedule at least one full day off each week. This dedicated rest time is vital for your well-being and long-term study success. To make your study sessions truly effective, optimize your approach. Tackle your most challenging subjects during your peak concentration periods, which for many are the morning hours. Employ active recall and spaced repetition techniques. These methods significantly enhance memory retention and deeper understanding. Furthermore, consistently review your notes and work through past examination papers. This practice solidifies your knowledge and familiarizes you with the exam format, boosting your confidence. Finally, remember that your timetable is a dynamic tool. Regularly review its effectiveness and don't hesitate to make adjustments as your needs or circumstances change. Flexibility is key. Adapt your schedule to accommodate unexpected events or shifts in your study priorities. Crucially, ensure your plan includes time for hobbies, physical activity, and social interactions. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle is essential for your mental and physical health, contributing significantly to your academic success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.